standing on the signal, and he saw a crippled man walking with a, what you used to call that, sticks, huh? And he said, oh, he must be managing. He's crippled man, how he must be managing his day and how he must be doing. He's just thinking on the traffic gate, traffic signal. And when after few days he meets with an accident. And he's bedridden for 6 months. And he is also using those crutches. So who wanted the experience? Now we say God came to punish him because he thought he must have lied somewhere. He did that wrong, so today I got the punishment. He himself is calculating कि मैंने वो गलत किया था इसीलिए मेरे साथ ये हो गया. No, he wanted that experience. What experience? That how he manages a life. So he got the experience of managing the life. So we are creating, every moment we are creating our own destiny. That is what I told, life is by choice and not by chance. It is in your hand. If you want, you can change it. And we are not realizing, but every sentence, what we are speaking is making our reality. Okay? Yes, Manjit, what you ask?
Ma'am, you have told that it is very effective, it is very helpful. So my question is that if it is very effective treatment, then why it is not implemented all over the world? Then why medicines are there? If we can treat something without medicines, without any side effects, then why we are using medicines which has some side effects?
See, there are 4 types of people, like they say, homo, hetero, neutro, neutro. All fingers are equal. Can this world be the same with one type of people? No. So there has to be, all therapies is necessary. Because with our therapy, if there was no allopathy, we could not have shown the proof that we are treating and it has been done. Today also for emergency, I will also rush to an allopathy. So everything has its own importance, but it has been misutilized in today's times. You will not believe, therapists like me, they are charging 2,000, 3,000 rupees per sitting to the patients in Bombay and Delhi. And people are ready to pay. Why? Because they don't want to visit a doctor, because they know they are being not treated properly. They are greedy, and doctors, you know how the things are going on. People are dying and they are in the ICU. So many things are happening. But now these things have been recognized, as you were saying, people are realizing again we are going back to the old things. And in Gangaram Hospital, they have already opened an acupuncture center in the Gangaram Hospital. Maharashtra government has already recognized this Sujok therapy, and they are ready to give free services, and plus they are ready to give rooms in the hospitals. And now they are allowed to go and treat the patient in ICU. Earlier this was not allowed, but now slowly these things are being recognized. And all these therapies, what we are doing is come from China and Korea. But in those countries, they come to the allopathy at last. They start with this smile. This smile is much higher. I don't know, very few people are considering this smile. This acupuncture and Sujok things, they are starting first. Then they are going to different things, natural things, and then at last they come to allopathy. In our India, they start with allopathy. Then when they have, most of my patients are those who have been not cured by allopathy. And we are curing such patients only who are not being cured by allopathy. Because they come at last, because they don't trust. And they find it very easy, it is easy to pop the medicine, then smiling. People come to me, they say, don't forget about smile, give me the needle treatment. Don't tell me smile. I don't have time to smile. They literally tell me that. No, I can't do mudra, because in mudra they have to sit and smile for some time. So they said, no, please don't give me. You treat me with the needles. So when the patient comes, the person comes to me, I know how I have to treat them. Whether they'll be treated by mudra or by colors or by needles. With their consciousness, we come to know and we give them the treatment. So it is there. It will come slowly, but it cannot be same everywhere. Then life will be so boring, no? Will it be interesting? No. If all people are same alike, they're talking alike, they look alike, how it will be? See, God has made us so interesting, so many flowers, so many things are different. So many people, still we don't look alike. Okay? Anybody? Yes? Yes. You keep smiling. If you can smile, you will become confident slowly. You try. You can give me a feedback after 1 week. Do it consciously. When you are smiling means you love yourself. The smile will come only then. And otherwise the smile will go away. So you have to bring it back again and again. It will not remain. It is not remaining. It is not that I am saying I am smiling all the time. No. I think I will smile. I smile for 2 minutes and when it goes away, I don't know. I will become God if I smile all the time. Yes, I can't. I'm just a normal human being like you. I also get angry. I also get everything. Yes, but that is necessary. It is necessary because in harmony, everything is required. If you don't get angry and if you're not fearful, I'll just walk out. I'll just cross the road without getting fear. I will be under the cars. Yes. How it is possible? Some type of emotion is required. In harmony, I need fear. I need anger. If somebody is doing wrong to me, I should not keep quiet. I should hold. Isn't it? In harmony, everything is required. Okay? So we should know where what is required, but in a smile way. Our sir used to tell, if you want to get angry, remember your smile. If you remember your smile, you will not get out of the way. Means, I will not take out my frustration on my child if I am smiling. If I am not smiling, then my child has done wrong. I need to scold the child. But what will happen? If I am not smiling, I am under so many other problems, my frustrations, all will come out with my anger. So the child has done one thing wrong, but I am giving the smashing for 10 more things what I am feeling inside. My frustration is coming out because I am not smiling. So always do everything with smile. So everything will be harmonized. Okay? Yes.